This was basically a nightly occurrence at our house. My daughter is the primary ice machine user in our family, mostly because she actually eats the ice. She's also a nocturnal teenager, so she'd come downstairs in the evening and spend about 30 seconds breaking apart this giant frozen clump just to get her ice. We have an open kitchen and living room, so we'd literally have to pause whatever we were watching until she finished. And sometimes Dale and I would already be in bed and could still hear her out here doing this. But here's the funny part. We were all contributing to the problem because every time I needed to film in the kitchen, I would turn our old ice maker off. It ran constantly. The background noise was just too distracting when I was trying to record. Then she'd come downstairs later and be irritated because there wasn't any ice. So she'd be frustrated with us because we'd turned off her ice maker, and we'd be frustrated with her because she was out here chiseling ice at night. It was a ridiculous little cycle. So when Typhur offered to send me their Fast Nugget ice maker, I was genuinely interested because I wanted to know if it could solve some of these very specific problems. Typhur did send this machine to me, so I want to be clear about that. But we've actually been using it in our kitchen, and I'm going to show you what we've liked, how it's different from the other ice makers we've used in the past, and why this one works better for the way our family actually uses an ice maker. It showed up right on our front porch, and I have to say, it was packaged really well. And I'm not going to make you watch me unbox an ice maker for 5 minutes because I know that's not why you're here.
I like this brand a lot.
Setup was pretty straightforward. We got everything unpacked. I found a spot for it on the counter. I filled the reservoir with water. And then obviously the first thing we wanted to know was how long before we actually have ice. Typhur says the Fast Nugget ice maker can begin producing ice in as fast as 6 minutes, and it can make up to 35 pounds of ice in a day under optimal conditions. Now, we are certainly not going through 35 pounds of ice a day in this house. What matters much more to me is whether there's actually ice ready when somebody walks into the kitchen and wants it. And you can see the little nuggets start dropping right into the basket pretty quickly. But here's the difference that probably matters the most in our house. This ice stays loose and scoopable. Remember what my daughter was doing at the beginning of this video. With this one, she can open it up, scoop out what she wants, and go. She's not standing there trying to break apart a giant frozen clump first. And because she's primarily getting ice because she actually likes to eat it, this texture matters. Ice is smaller, softer, and chewable. And yes, if you're one of those people who likes eating the ice after you finish your drink, I understand now why people are so particular about their Nugget ice. One feature I honestly wasn't sure I would care about is the app. And I have to tell you, apps like this usually intimidate me a little bit. If I have to spend 20 minutes figuring out how to connect something or watch a tutorial just to use it, there's a pretty good chance I'm not going to do that. But this one was surprisingly easy. This app is really simple. It's user-friendly, and I figured it out pretty much right away. From my phone, I can start and stop the ice maker. I can see what's going on with the machine and set a schedule. And the scheduling feature ended up solving a problem I didn't even realize a smart feature could solve. Remember how I told you I used to turn off our old machine whenever I filmed in the kitchen? Well, now I don't have to. Now I don't have to choose between listening to an ice maker run all day and my daughter coming downstairs later to discover there's no ice. We can schedule this one around when she's actually going to use it. So it doesn't need to run constantly all day just to make sure our nocturnal teenager has ice when she finally emerges in the evening. It will also send notifications when the water is low or when the ice basket is full. And yep, now we have a full basket. The removable basket holds up to 2.6 pounds of ice, which has been plenty for the way we're actually using it. And while my daughter is the big ice eater in our house, this is probably my favorite way I've been using it. If you've followed me for any length of time, you know I am a coffee person, and lately I have been making my iced coffee with it. There is just something about having all those little pieces of nugget ice in there instead of a few giant hard cubes. And because they're chewable, yes, I usually end up eating what's left in the bottom of the cup too. Apparently I have opinions about ice texture now. I didn't know that about myself until this ice maker showed up at my house, but here we are. Now, here's something I absolutely wanted to try before I reviewed this, because countertop appliances that are difficult to clean eventually become countertop appliances I stop using. Typhur includes 8 cleaner and descaler packs with this machine. You add the cleaning solution, you start the automatic cleaning cycle, and the cleaning cycle itself takes only about 7 minutes. Once that's finished, you drain the machine. There is a drain plug in the bottom of it, and then just give everything a rinse out. I actually filmed myself doing this whole thing because I wanted you to see what cleaning it looks like instead of me just telling you how easy it is. And it is very manageable that I can realistically see myself keeping up with it. So for me, that's actually a pretty important feature because I don't want another appliance in my kitchen that becomes a whole project every time it needs to be cleaned. And now let's talk about the noise because you probably understand why this matters the most in our house. This machine is not silent. You can hear it when it's making ice. But the countertop ice makers we've used before seem to run constantly. And as the water got lower, they would get louder and louder. And in an open kitchen and living room, that gets really distracting. It was distracting when we were watching TV. It was a problem when I was filming. And apparently it was also a problem when our daughter wanted ice after I turned the machine off. But with the Typhur, the sound is much more consistent. It doesn't seem to get progressively louder as the water gets low. And because we can schedule when it makes ice, we're simply hearing it a lot less. And that might actually be one of the biggest improvements for our particular house. So after actually having this in our kitchen and letting everybody use it, do I think it's an upgrade from the ice makers we've used before? For us, yes. And it's really not because of one flashy feature. It's because it solved a bunch of little annoyances that were happening every single day. My daughter gets the soft nugget ice she actually wants to eat. She doesn't have to stand there breaking apart a frozen block every night. I don't have an ice maker constantly running in the background when I'm trying to film. And I'm not turning it off only to discover later that nobody has made any ice. So basically, my nocturnal teenager gets her ice, and Dale and I get to watch television in peace. The app is easy enough that I'll actually use it. The scheduling makes sense for the way our family lives. Cleaning is not a huge ordeal, and the ice itself is exactly what my daughter wanted. And honestly, those are the kinds of things that determine whether an appliance actually earns a permanent spot on my counter. You can use my code Who's Your Ally for 10% off. I'll have my link and all of the current offer information down below, and I'll pin it in the comments so it's easy to find. If you've been thinking about getting a Nugget ice maker, hopefully seeing how we've actually been using this one helps you decide whether it makes sense for your house.